The five topics I generated were determination, Navy, toll roads and bridges, hindsight, and movie theaters. The topic I'm going to focus on today is movie theaters. I go to Louisiana College, and here in Pineville, Louisiana, there are very few things to do for fun. One of the things that I like to do for fun is go to the movie theaters. But one thing that I noticed at the movie theaters here in Pineville, Louisiana, are that they are not as good as the ones compared to Dallas, Texas. In Dallas, the movie theaters are cheaper, they have recliner seats, they have assigned seating, and you can get a full course meal at the push of a button. Here in Louisiana, they don't have assigned seating, they have old seats that creak, and the prices are very, very high. The reason I like Dallas so much better is because I can go to a movie, get a full meal, watch a movie, have dessert, and go home all in the course of what I would have to do here in Louisiana. Go to a restaurant, have a dinner, go have dessert, go to a movie theater, and then go home. In order to make the movie theaters in Louisiana better, they need to renovate them, make them more new, and lower the prices.